Hi, welcome to the shed. In this episode, we're going to talk about 16th notes in compound meter. Right now, I have one measure of 9/8 written, and I have some 16th notes peppered in. All right, so we have to figure out what subdivision syllable we're going to use for 16th notes. In 9/8 time, the 8th note receives the number. We already have a subdivision syllable for when we are dividing the beat into two equal parts, and that's the exact same subdivision syllable we're going to use for compound meter. So I have 1, 2, 3. Each one of these is an 8th note, so each one is just going to get its own number, and then each one has a circle. So I'm on beat 4 here, and this is the first half of beat 4. Here's the second half of beat 4, so it's just going to get an and. So we have 4 and. There are 2 8th notes and a quarter note, so I'm going to write 5, 6, circle. There's 1 8th note and an 8th rest, 7. So now I'm on beat 8 here. I'm splitting into two equal parts. So I started out with 8, and then I have and. So 8 and that last one is 9. So let me get my metronome going. I'm going to put my metronome at a little slower. It's going to be at 50 so that we can get all the syllables in there. So that's where my foot's tapping. That is beat 1, 4, and 7 because they're beamed in groups of 3. So I'm going to give myself one measure before, and then I'm going to perform this rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And that's how to do 16th notes in compound meter.